What's up, everybody? This is the Big Kayla 21498, and I'm doing a review on the Craftsman C3 19.2 volt impact wrench. I want to start by saying that I highly recommend this. I keep this in my car at all times. I've changed lug nuts, taken off lug nuts with it, changed axle nuts, different parts of suspensions, and this thing has held up through everything. This is the newer model. It has the 3 LED lights in the front, and it has the lithium XCP battery. It's a lithium battery, and it has the charge indicator, so you know if it's fully charged or if it's about to die, whatever. It has 300 foot-pounds of torque, and it has 3,000 RPMs per minute. And not viewed, it comes with a dual chemistry charger that charges lithium batteries and standard naked battery packs as well. That's about it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and feel free to comment, subscribe, and rate. Thank you.